It's an earthquake. You wake up in the crust when the rock is hot. Stress is building up. It's an earthquake. How do the plates move, change, and mold?
After being in Radko's class, you probably know a lot about earthquakes. Let's see what the rest of the students at Georgia Southern know.
It's an earthquake. It's an earthquake.
When's the last time an earthquake struck the state of Georgia?
I believe it was a couple weeks ago in Augusta.
The last time I remember was like, I think in like 2002. That was in second grade. I don't know if that's right, though.
I'm gonna go in 2007.
Oh gosh, it's been, oh wait, no. Wait, the little ones count?
Yeah.
Okay, like last year.
Most recent was actually November 21st of this year in Dalton, Georgia. How many earthquakes occur all over the world each year?
I don't know. Millions?
I think it's like 5,000 to 10,000. 10,000.
Can I say thousands?
32.
It's actually several million.
Oh my god.
What time of the day is an earthquake most likely to occur?
The morning.
I would say early morning. In the afternoon?
Good morning. My time.
Why?
Because that's when all the big ones happen.
Actually, they can happen anytime, any day, anywhere.
That's a trick question.
Where's the best place to be during an earthquake?
Bottom floor.
And an earthquake shelter facility. Underground.
Shelter that has no windows. But I feel like there is no best place to be. Maybe like somewhere like a closet or something where things can't follow you.
The best place to be is actually outside, preferably in the middle of the field.
Why?
Because then nothing's around you.